1,260 students have completed successfully, in which 480 students secured first class with distinctions and remaining 760 students secured first class with an overall success rate of 93.09%. And they all got the degrees in the latest convocations held on 23rd February. Faculty. A successful institution is composed of faculty, students, majority of whom are efficient, of good character and possess reasonably high sense of duty set by Visvesvaraya. The institute enjoys the support and contribution of 392 qualified and committed faculty. 87 of them are with PhD qualifications and 125 are pursuing their doctoral degree. 6 faculty members received the doctorate degree in this academic year. Members of faculty who pursues the doctorate programs are extended the financial support of rupees 64,000 for each doctoral candidate, besides the on-duty for 2 months, and the financial grant extended for 14 faculty for the faculty members in the last academic year is 9.6 lakhs. Conference, seminar, workshop, guest lecture organized. It is amazing to note that 222 programs were organized by various departments in the institute under conference, seminar, workshop, guest lecture, non-formal courses by inviting academic experts, industry experts, alumni, and research and development consultants for interaction with the students with a view to enhancing their employability and motivating them to become successful entrepreneurs. Faculty achievements. Dr. Saravanan, Professor of Textile Department, was awarded with UP Government National Award for outstanding work done in the specified areas of engineering technology for the year 2013 by ISTE New Delhi. Dr. A. Amar Karthik of Mechanical Engineering Department was awarded the SGSITS National Award for the best research done by the young teacher, age of below 35, for the year 2013 by ISTE. Dr. Arnava Das of Biotechnology received the AICTE Career Award for the young teacher. Dr. S. Valarmadi, Professor of EC Department, received Sri P.K. Das Memorial Best Faculty Award for 2013 from Nehru Group of Institutions, Coimbatore. Dr. K.P. Kannan of the Biotechnology received the Young Scientist Award 2013 from the Padasala Education Today, Chennai. Professor V. Evelyn Brinda of Computer Science received a category award teaching techniques from myclassroom.com, a social e-learning platform. Students' achievement. Don't tell the people how to do things, tell them what to do and let them surprise with the result. We encourage, we motivate and we guide students, as a result of which our students have achieved, excel and brought laurels to the institute. S.K. Darun, third year Electronics and Instrumentation, presented a paper in New Idea on removing salt on seawater to make a freshwater production using the nanographene process in the International Conference on Nanostructures, Nanomaterials and Nanoengineering held in South Korea, and the management was kind enough to sponsor rupees 24,750 towards the registration fee. And P.V. Bharati Giri, third year Computer Science, presented a paper on artificial intelligence and management support systems in the research conference on information technology held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in September 2013. V. Premalada and N.S. Rajsri of third year Computer Science won Robert worth rupees 20,000 from IIT Bombay in the Firebird 5 Atmiga online contest. A.K. Soundarajan and S. Arun Kumar, fourth year Mechanical, secured the Best Project Award for the project Lathe Chuck Key Safety Locker during the event Innovista Tractors in Perambur. S.K. Darun, fourth year Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, was selected as the campus ambassador of the Rio Plus 21 International Year of Water Cooperation's India Program 2013. The K. Chittard of Biotechnology underwent an internship of IIT Mumbai through Indian Science Academy Fellowship. Vigneshwari of fourth year Biotechnology underwent an internship of Rajendra Memorial Research Institute of Medical Science through Indian Science Academy Fellowship. and Selvi Uma, 4th year biotechnology, underwent a summer internship of Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Thiruvananthapuram, through Indian Space Academy academic fellowship. V. Krishnasamy of 4th year mechanical engineering was awarded the best student for the year 2013 by Indian Society for Technical Education, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry sections. Our heartiest congratulations for the achievers, and we wish others to come for successfully for the forthcoming years. Value-added courses. In order to make our students more competitive, 16 value-added courses were conducted in all departments. 1,730 students participated, and management has spent rupees 10.3 lakhs. College has signed 9 MOUs with various industry. Student scholarship. A total of 1,543 students from various categories were benefited by the government scholarships to the extent of 1.19 crores. And I am extremely happy to state that our students have instituted a Friend of Friendless FOF scholarship to help poor and needy students of our institute by way of generating the revenue through voluntary contributions. The students contributed 6 lakhs of rupees and 6 lakhs of rupees for this noble cause through, and the management has contributed equally, by which 110 students were benefited this year. I wholeheartedly thank by bowing my head for all the students and the management for their commitment towards serving the society. Dear students, you stand tall in the charity, and we are really proud of you. R&D activities. 12 funded projects were sanctioned to BIT by Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology and AICTE during the current academic year to the tune of 2.35 crores. And this year, 8 faculty members received the incentive of 2.5% of the project cost, and the total amount paid is 2.34 lakhs. In addition to this, BIT has already obtained 73 funded projects to the tune of 12 crores from various funding agencies. 69 new proposals have been submitted to DRDO, CSIR, DSIR, ICMR, DST, DBT, etc. All eligible departments are approved research centers. Further, Anna University has approved 26 members of faculty as supervisors for PhD research, and they are guiding more than 100 PhD. And the research scholars, currently the institution has enrolled 233 research scholars, of which 121 internal candidates and 19 external candidates and 13 full-time. The number of faculty registered this year is 15. Number of staff completed PhD under the guidance of our faculty is 27. Research papers published. 79 technical and research papers were published in national and international journals by our faculty during this year. Faculty development program, summer and winter schools attended. We facilitate the faculty for attending conferences, seminars, workshops, faculty development programs in India and abroad. 287 members of faculty were sponsored to attend various faculty development programs, seminars, conferences organized by other institutions in the chosen area of interest for professional development. 137 members of faculty were sponsored to attend various winter and summer schools organized by other institutions in their chosen area. 112 faculty members were sponsored to attend the personal development programs like Art of Living, Personal Effectiveness Program to lead a balanced, stress-free life. Placement training activities. Our placement cell has organized on-campus and off-campus placement interview, and 550 students have got placement in companies like CTS, Ionotics, UST Global, Infosys, and so on. Training activities. A total of 2,500 students from second year and pre-final were given 72 hours of training regularly during the period June to students 3rd and 4th years from May to December, and Evolve, a program was conducted during the 6th and 7th May 2013 for pre-final students, alumni. Affinity and contribution of our alumni is really commendable. During this year, 227 alumni visited our college. 62 guest lectures have been conducted involving these alumni. Some of the alumni have participated in various events organized by our institute. alumni group idea has been created to share their experience and for close association with alma mater. 859 alumni are employed from 2012 batch, and 150 alumni are pursuing higher studies in India abroad, and 17 alumni have been successful entrepreneurs. Chapters of professional societies to develop the professional skills of students. IEEE, IETE, ISTE, CSI, YRC student chapters are functioning in the college, and they conducted a significant number of events. Industry Institute Partnership Cell provides industrial training. The students and the faculty members are arranged through the industry IEEE cell at the regular intervals. Extracurricular activities. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because his or her trust is not on branch but on his own wings. Always believe in yourself. To infuse such a confidence on our students and promote their skills, extracurricular and co-curricular activities are encouraged through department association activities, technical events, clubs and societies, NSS and NCC, etc. To inculcate paper presentations and to have research orientation, our students are encouraged to present papers in symposia and seminars. 854 papers have been presented by students inside and outside BIT, in which 90 students have won the prizes, and students have exhibited their project in 15 various open house displays and technical exhibitions. 521 industry-sponsored projects were taken by our students as a final year projects. During the academic year, 5 patents have been applied in the name of BIT. 73 clubs and society are in operations, and as a result of this initiative, number of students involved co-curricular activities has increased significantly. NSS, N. Dinakaran and Mr. Bhupati of NSS volunteers were awarded Best Emergency Blood Donors by Tamil Nadu State Blood Transfusion Council. International Youth Day was celebrated in Boys and Girls Hostel of Satyamangalam School, Higher Secondary School. 67th Independence Day was celebrated in Modur schools, and a camp was organized. And the NSS organized the following awareness camps like organ donation, blood donation, first aid camp. NCC, the Shining Camp combined annual training camp was organized. Lieutenant Khalil Rahman and 5 cadets attended the National Integration Camp in Udaipur for 12 days. Sports and games. We excel not only in academics but also in sports. Amazing achievements of our students are men cricket and table tennis, women table tennis and badminton won gold medal in the inter-zone matches. Men handball, women basketball teams secured silver medal, and women hockey, volleyball teams secured bronze medals. BIT cricket team emerged as the winner in the zonal cricket match conducted by Anna University. BIT men basketball team secured 3rd positions in the Anna University. Men badminton team won the gold medal in the public police meet. Ms. R. Priyanka and Suganya of 3rd year EEE won 3rd prize in the national karate. And boys cycling team secured silver and bronze medals in the state level championship. Dr. R. Jayaraman, our physical director, appointed as executive committee member Anna University Sports Board. Dr. Jayaraman and Juliet, physical directors, nominated as team members for intra-university tournaments. And the important events, Pongal Villa was celebrated in the institute in the January 8th to 10th in a grand manner. Anmiga Surpalivalar A. Renuka Devi Madurai participated. Navaratri Villa was celebrated in the campus in 9th October, and Freshers inauguration was conducted in 27th July, and 13th graduation day was celebrated in 13th June, and it is graduation day address was delivered by Dr. M. Rajaraman, the Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Chennai, and Dr. N.G. Palanisamy, Chairman Managing Director of Core Medical Center. 14th graduation day was celebrated on 23rd February 2014, and the graduation day address was delivered by Dr. K. Ramasamy, Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Ignite 2014, a state-level paper presentations and project design contest for Polytechnic students was conducted 1st March 2014. And 15th Futura, a 3-day national-level students technical symposium and project design contest was held during 2nd to 4th September at the institute premises. 150 projects were displayed, 70 technical events, and 9 workshops were organized. On the whole, 3,500 students from colleges across 9 states and 4,000 students from 140 schools participated in this event. The management has sponsored 70 lakhs for this academic festival.